Hey guys, it's the Beeve out of Top Guns of Terre Haute, Indiana. Today we're going to be doing a 90-second review. Jen was out of the office, so I'm going to be taking her spot.
And this is all you need to know about the SIG 365 in 90 seconds. Early in 2018, SIG came out with the 365. Now this is to compete in the market with the Glock 43, the LC9, and the Shield. This has a stainless steel slide and a polymer frame, and the standard nitron finish like most SIGs have.
The 365 is going to come standard with SIG light and night sights, which makes it different than most firearms in its class. Weighing in at 17.8 ounces makes it a pretty easy carry gun. The 365 is going to come with two 10-round magazines, however they have come out with a 12-round magazine for it.
With an MSRP around $50, that can be expensive for a magazine in this category. Now let's take a second to talk about dimensions on this firearm. It's a lot like the Glock 43 or the Shield, coming in with a barrel length around 3.1 inches, with an overall length just coming under 6 inches at 5.8.
The overall width of this firearm, even with my small hands, comes in at 1.06 inches. The height coming in at 4.3 with a flush mag, and let's not forget about the trigger pull. We shot this gun and the trigger pull is really not that bad. At 5.5 to 6 pounds, it makes it really nice for a carry gun. Now Alex, I know we've been getting a lot of people coming in the shop, plus a lot of phone calls asking about the drop test on the 365.
And after talking with SIG, they have assured me they have used everything in their arsenal to make sure this firearm is safe.
Now SIG is releasing a 100 lumen flashlight to put on the accessory rail of the 365.
Fitting right under the slide, it's about the size of a quarter, which is going to make this super easy for you to carry. What size is that again?
About the size of a quarter.
The 365 currently only comes in 9mm, with an MSRP around $599, but you should be able to pick this up in your local gun shop around $500 or less.
Thanks for watching, guys. That's all you need to know on the SIG Sauer 365. If you like our video, please give us a thumbs up, and if you're new to the channel, please subscribe.
Thanks, guys.